Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an interesting skincare video for all of you out there. This is again, before I start, it's for men and for women both. So it's very important that you all have a very good skincare regime going on. But if you don't have time to go and explore and do a lot of research and like you don't know where to start, I think this video will help you out. Again, in no terms I'm saying this is going to be the perfect product for you. It suits my skin. Do your research before you invest in them, but they are really good products, so you must try it out at least. So if you want to know about these products, let's get started. Before we start on the products, I'll just let you know that serums play a very important role in your skincare. Whenever you wash your face, ensure that you always use a toner, and if you're not going to be using a toner, please try and incorporate some form of a serum into your skincare regime, because that will enhance the moisture retention of your skin, and it will help the moisturizer to be absorbed better into your skin. So what I generally do on a daily basis is I wash my face, I apply a toner of course, and if I have time I even go in for an essence. But I always ensure that even if I'm skipping the toner and essence, face wash, I do my serum, I just take a few drops of it, pat it into my skin, and then go in with my moisturizer. And I notice that my skin feels much more healthier and dewy throughout the day when I follow this regime. We are going to be talking about two products today. First of all, before before the build up, both the products are Indian brands. They are made in India. These are make in India products, and yeah, it's a very good way to support our upcoming brands. So yeah, you must give them a try for that very reason alone, if not anything else. So the first product that we're going to be talking about is the Minimalist Hyaluronic acid serum. This one is the hyaluronic acid with 2% plus B5, which is a vitamin B5, and it comes in this cute little tiny bottle. It's a glossy bottle, and it comes with a pump dropper. Before we go into the details, let me just show you the consistency. So it comes with this kind of a pump, and this is a whole pump, and that's all you need. And I'm just going to swatch it. I'm already done with my serum today, so I don't feel like wasted it, but yet it's not wasting when I'm showing it to you. So yeah, it's a very thick consistency. It's not very water like. It looks like water, but it's very thick, and it just blends into your skin beautifully. Okay, and you can see how nice and shiny it feels. Now thoda sa bacha hai to chehre pe laga hi leti hu. Yeah. So what I do is I take a whole pump of it on my hands, or sometimes I just put one drop, and then I just pat it and rub it into my skin, and I leave it on for like maybe 30 seconds to absorb before I go in and put in my moisturizer. So that's how you should use it too, because between any two products, let there be some gap for the product to be absorbed into your skin. Okay, this product can be used in the AM and the PM, which means that you can use it in the daytime as well as in the nighttime. So if you want to be getting one serum, if you have to get just one serum to try out, I would say you can try this one out, because you can use it as a day and a night serum for your nighttime skincare routine too. Now this serum is not at all oily. It has no oily feeling on your face, so it's good for any kind of skin tone. But of course, do a patch test when you buy it, and then try and go and put it on your face. And I've been using this for a week now, and I can see the visible results on my face. My skin feels much more plump and much more hydrated whenever I use this product. Now the next product that I have for you today is something that I use in my nighttime skincare regime. So the first one, that is this one, I use it in the daytime, and then I use this for the night in my nighttime regime. So this one is the Dr. Sheth's serum. This one is the Cica. I'm just so bad with the terms. Okay, so it's called Cica and Ceramide Overnight Repair Serum. It comes in a glass bottle again, but this one is not so transparent, so you cannot see the product a lot inside it. This is how the bottle looks like. This one has a lot of ceramides, and it has marula oil in it, of course, and this is suitable for Indian skin tone, because Dr. Sheth's products are mainly made for Indian skin tone, considering the Indian climate, the pollution, and the lifestyle that we have over here. Considering all of that, these products are made, and Dr. Sheth's products are amazing. I have used their moisturizer earlier and I loved it. This one I ordered recently, and currently they are running a 30% off on their website, so on all their products, so you should go and check that out. This product is mainly to be used in the night. It's like an overnight serum, so I'll just show you the consistency first. So it comes in a pump bottle, so that it's not like a dropper one. So you just take you can take like one full squirt of it or 2 squirts, and this one is white in color. It's not at all flowy like the minimalist one, but this is more like a moisturizer content, and it has that, but it blends the same into your skin, and it feels really soft, and oh my god, it smells so Ayurvedic and beautiful. I can't even tell you, like if you could just come into the screen and smell it right now, it smells heavenly. So it's perfect for the night time. So I think that was made on a purpose to smell that way, so that you feel like relaxed and you're ready to unwind once you're done with your skincare. Again, I use this one after my after my face wash. I wash my face, I apply this, and then I apply my night cream, and that's it. That's my I have a few more steps, but that's all you can do, and you will wake up with really good skin tone. Is good for any kind of skin tone which is sensitive, oily, dry. So basically from the dry side to the combinational type, you can use it. Both the products are amazing. Of course, again, do a patch test. This one has no acid in it, whereas this one has the hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is very good if you're looking for any products as an anti-aging, because it helps contain the moisture, whereas this one has ceramides in it, which is again good, and it will over the time help you reduce fine lines and visible lines and signs of aging. All of those, it's going to help you out a lot in that. So that's all for today. These two products are my most favorite skincare products. I've been using since February. So I've been using it the entire of February month, and I loved both of them. But if you have to pick one of the two, and if you're a beginner, I would say go with this one, because this is something that you can use in the AM and the PM. This one is only for your PM needs. So yeah, you can pick. And if you're if you want to take your skincare regime more seriously, like the way I do it, and you want to have a dedicated serum for the day and the night, then go and get both of them. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was informative. I did not want to jump into all the ingredients of everything each. I will probably do a short reels on my Instagram, so go follow me there for a detailed video on each of these, and come back again soon for my next video. I hope you like this, so please go give a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I think I already said that, but yes, do that. Share this video with all of your friends and family, and help them out too in having a very good healthy skincare regime. And I will come back again to see you in the next video. Toodles!